Hi guys, welcome to my very first beauty video. This is my very beautiful model and I'm going to be doing her makeup today. The first step is cleansing the face as usual with the Garnier Michelle cleansing water, and then next I'm going to just hydrate my face by just spraying setting spray on it. This beauty is a very huge part of my life and that's the reason why I'm inculcating it into my YouTube channel. The quality of this video is a little bit bad because my ring light was off, so I didn't realize it. But yeah, and next I'm going to just be applying toner. This is the simple toner. I didn't show it here, mistake on my part, but it was a very chaotic video to film. And then I'm going to go into moisturizing. Yeah, I'm moisturizing with this Mabelline Studio primer, something like that. I've forgotten the name. I'll leave the names in the description box. But you want to hydrate your client's face, whether she's oily skinned or dry skinned or combination skin, you want to hydrate. And then we're going in with primer. Means we're priming the T-zone. It's a classic primer, a very good primer, very affordable. All the products I use here are drugstore products. I'm not a rich woman, so I buy affordable products. This is the View Beauty foundation. Just blend it seamlessly into her skin. It was absolutely a perfect match. It was a perfect shade for her. So yeah, this is just me blending it in. You're going to see my head a lot in this video, guys. A mistake on my part. I did not know that my face was showing, my head was showing. Please forgive me, it will not happen again. But yeah, spraying that face because we want that makeup to sit. And then we're going in with cream blush. This is literally my favorite part of makeup. I love skin work a lot, but this is my favorite part of makeup. I just love it so much. Since I discovered it, I haven't changed it in my routine. I just prefer it to contouring. Now use whatever cream product you want to use. You can use the one from TM Essential. You can use your lipsticks, old lipsticks, liquid lipstick, cream lipsticks. I just prefer it. You're going to notice that I did not contour in this video. I just prefer bronzing and warming up the face instead of contouring. I just love it. Contouring is not my thing. I learned it the hard way. You saw me applying blush to the nose. Yes, apply blush to the nose, guys. It's just my technique. Different strokes for different folks, right? Yeah. So yeah, we're going to go in with concealer, guys, from Zaron and from LA Girl. I mix them together. And then yeah, we're going to blend that concealer in with a damp beauty blender. Blend it in. See, the secret to every wonderful, very beautiful face or skin work is the blending. You want to blend it in. Blend it like your life depends on it. Spend time blending. I don't think I spend as much time as I should blending, but blend it in and you're just going to see the beauty of that face. Now this is me applying setting that face. So you want to set the face just like you blended the concealer. Blend the powder into the skin. Don't just drop the powder on the skin. Don't just place it there. Blend it in. The finish you're going to get is going to be feathery. It's going to be like a feathery, powdery finish. Like it's going to be so beautiful. Blend that powder into the skin, guys. Blend it into the skin. And then next I'm just going to be blending. I'm just going to be setting the main part of the face with powder. Just same color as her skin, like the powder should match her skin tone. Just set every part of my face with powder. Don't worry about the blush area. We're going to still intensify it with like a darker powder or something, or just blend every. You can see me, I'm going to blend on the blush here, so blend every part of the face with powder. So guys, this is just me like setting her face with powder, and then we're going with blush now. Before I went to with the blush off camera, I also bronzed up her face a little bit, but that was off camera. I'm going in with blush, guys. Don't be scared to use that blush. Just tap it on the cheekbones. Like blush are it's really important. It adds warmth, add color to your face. It just helps in the overall makeup process. My client was really excited. We're having fun listening to music as we're just like, because this makeup took a lot from us, so we're just like rewinding with the music. This is me just going in with baking the RCMA powder. I'm just saying this in case you guys want to get any of the products. Just baking. This is just prevent fallout from my eyeshadow because I'm going in with eyes very soon, so just prevent fallout. I'm not really big on baking, but this is mostly to prevent fallout. Then next we're going in with her brows. Guys, my client's brows are so bushy and I totally forgot to tame the brows. That was meant to be the first thing I would have done. I forgot to tame her brows, so you're meant to tame with either a brow tamer or edge control. This is just me taming it now before I go in with the brow. So just tame it and set it with powder. That's basically what you're meant to do. Use an edge control and a spoolie and lay those brows, and your brows will be laid. Now she has very bushy brows, and I didn't want to shave it because I was very lazy to do so. So this is me manipulating my way through the brows. Just follow the shape, just trust the process, guys. That is all makeup is about. The sooner you know that, the better. Makeup is an art, so just trust the process. This is just me following the shape of her brows, natural shape of her brows, since I didn't trim it. And yeah, I'm just gonna use concealer to like clean or conceal, for lack of a better word, every mistake I must have made. So this is just me. Use a very sharp, defined, flat brush to do this. I used to be stubborn before. I didn't used to use a flat brush. I just learned that using a flat brush just helps your matter. It helps your matter. Just work smart, guys. Work smart. If you want to have, brows like, those big makeup artists, this is what they do, guys. This is what they do. So then, yeah, after that, we're going to blend that concealer out. If you add that concealer, we're going to blend it out with. This is just me manipulating my way through it, making some mistakes, checking that my brows are sisters, not necessarily twins. They don't have to be twins, but they are sisters. They are very alike. They are just not identical, and that is perfect. That is okay. So yeah, that's just me doing that. Yeah. And then next, we're going to go in with blending of those concealer. That concealer you see underneath, like the brow arc, I'm going to blend it out very well. Here, this is me blending it out with a fluffy brush. Make sure you do this. Make sure you blend it very well. Blend it seamlessly. You guys, if you're smart, I'm overemphasizing on blending. It's a very big part of makeup. So then I'm going in with the lid. I'm priming the lid with concealer. Some people do this with a primer, but I just prefer to do concealer because it's just what works for me. That's another thing you need to know about makeup. Learn or know what works for you. This is Zikel and Seun Willams palette, the absolute love of my life. I'm going to use this to the eyeshadow. This is me going in with powder to just like set that place, so that when I go in my transition color, it doesn't come out too harsh. I don't know if you get me. So I can just have a very, very feathery eyeshadow. Going in with that first color, that first like powdery pink or blush pink color, and I'm going to tap that to the lid. I'm going to really apply that to the lid, pack it on into the lid, and then we're going to go in with a burgundy color from that same palette. Everything I use was from this palette, just this burgundy color. Use it on the outer edges and then blend into the crease. It's not hard, guys. Try, practice. This is for people that may think it's very hard. Just follow my steps and I promise you're going to get it. So just go into the edges, blend it into the, make sure you're blending as you go. Make sure you apply the colors little by little. Don't pack it on. If not, you're able to blend it. So this is me blending it little by little, and you see me, I'll blend it into the crease. It's not as detailed like I said because I had to cut a lot of, look at, I'm blending into the crease. I had to cut a lot of clips out because my head was showing and I was just blocking the camera. So yeah, this is me going in my transition color. I went to my transition color last because I wanted to just blend out those hash lines. So I use like a very pale orange to like blend every single thing out. You can't even see it. That's because of how much I've blended it. Then we go into the graphic liner. This is like one of my favorite things. I love graphic liners a lot because I'm a Gen Z, so obviously. But then yeah, it adds kink, adds a kind of kink to every makeup look. Just watch how it's going to elevate these eyes. It's just changed the game for me, to be very, very, very honest. This is just me doing some finishing touches. This is the easiest graphic liner you can ever do in your life. If you want a detailed tutorial on these eyes, I will do it for you. Just comment it in the comment section. Then we're going to go in with mascara. I'm going to be using this small but mighty mascara from Zaron. This mascara is just the goat. It is very affordable. That's why I call this small but mighty. It's drugstore. It's not high end. It's very, very, very affordable. My client has very watery eyes, so I had to hold that lid. But just look at what the mascara did. I haven't applied lashes, guys, just the mascara. So then, yeah, we're going in with this highlighter from CoverGirl. I've had it for the longest time. My mom got it for me, but I didn't use it because I didn't know how to use it. It used to feel powdery until I realized how to use it. So just see how I'm using it. I'm really blending it into the skin. So in order for the sheen to show, for the shine to show, you have to blend it into the skin very well. Next, I'm going in with my setting spray. You have to make sure that you set your face about 2 to 3 times so that makeup can last. You need to set that face and then allow it to dry. Okay, we applied lashes off camera. My phone died. I had to charge my phone. I say again, I read myself, this was a very chaotic filming process. Line the lips, mix some colors together, and got this lipstick. And then I'm applying gloss because what is a look without gloss? I'm a gloss girl. So yeah, watch how that gloss elevated that look. You guys, I'm sad to say this is the end of the video. This video, the absolute love of my life. I was so close to not posting this video. I was so close to not making this video. This video was, but it ended up being everything and more. Just look at how pretty she looks, guys. I know I may not get as much views. This is the video in low light, guys, low light. I know I may not get as much views because it's a beauty video, but I do not give two hoots. Beauty is a huge part of my life. I just wanted to make sure I incorporate it into my YouTube channel. Just know me for beauty as well as lifestyle. So I'm just gonna leave you guys to enjoy the rest of this video from my beautiful model feeling herself, because Miles did a good job on this face. Miles beat this face to the T, yo. We beat this face. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, tell me. My favorite part of the video, you guys know, is the eyes. Skin is my favorite process to do, but this eyes was giving everything it was supposed to give. Oh yeah, keep your head. Don't sweat. She's just sweating. Oh god, just sweating. Leave them alone, Jared. I'm afraid recording you. This is not on. Hey, you know this is not on. Just do it. Jesus Christ. Wow.